Okay, this is the scapula. This is the superior border. This is the lateral border. This is the medial border. This is the inferior angle. This is the superior angle. This is the glenoid fossa. This is the spine. This is the acromion process. This is the coracoid process. This is the supraspinous fossa. This is the infraspinous fossa. This is the subscapular fossa. And this is the subscapular notch. Okay, this is the clavicle. This is the medial end. This is the lateral end. And it is a left clavicle. Okay, this is the humerus. This is the head. This is the anatomical neck. This is the surgical neck. This is the greater tubercle. This is the lesser tubercle. And this is the intertubercular groove. This right here is the deltoid tuberosity. This right here is the trochlea. This is the capitulum. This is the medial epicondyle. This is the lateral epicondyle. This is the coronoid fossa. This is the radial fossa. And this is the olecranon fossa. Okay, this is an ulna. This is the olecranon process. This is the trochlear notch. This is the radial notch. This is the coronoid process. And down here we have the styloid process and the head of the ulna. Okay, this is a radius. This is the head of the radius. This is the neck. This is the radial tuberosity. And this is the styloid process. Okay, this is the hand. These are the carpals, and there's 8 of them. Or this is the scaphoid. This is the lunate. This is the pisiform. This is the triquetral. This is the hamate. This is the capitate. This is the trapezoid. And this is the trapezium. And this is digit number 1, digit number 2, digit number 3, digit number 4, and digit number 5. This is metacarpal 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is the proximal digit. This is the distal digit. This is the proximal, middle, and distal of digit number 2. This is the proximal, middle, and distal of digit number 3. This is the proximal, middle, and distal of digit number 4. And this is the proximal, middle, and distal of digit number 5. Okay, this is the pelvis. This right here is the iliac crest. This is the anterior superior iliac spine. This is the anterior inferior iliac spine. This is the posterior superior iliac spine. This is the posterior inferior iliac spine. This is the greater sciatic notch. This is the iliac fossa. And this is the acetabulum. Now this is the ischial-ramus. This is the ischial spine. This is the lesser sciatic notch. This right here is the ischial tuberosity. And this is the ischial-ramus. This is the pubis. So this is the superior ramus of the pubis. This is the inferior ramus. This is the obturator for Raymond. And this is the pubic. This is a femur. This is the head of the femur. This is the neck. This is the greater trochanter. This is the lesser trochanter. This is the intertrochanteric line. This is the intertrochanteric crest. This is the gluteal tuberosity. This is the linea aspera. This is the medial condyle. This is the lateral condyle. This is the medial epicondyle, and this is the lateral epicondyle. This is the patellar surface. This is a patella. It's a left patella. This is the apex, and this is the base. This is a tibia. This is the lateral condyle. This is the medial condyle. This is the tibial tuberosity. This is the anterior crest, and this is the medial malleolus. This is a fibula. This is the head. This is the neck. This is the shaft, and this is the lateral malleolus. This is a foot. These are the tarsals. This is the calcaneus. This is the talus. This is the navicular. This is the cuboid. This is the medial cuneiform. This is the intermediate cuneiform. And this is the lateral cuneiform. This is phalanx 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And each one of them has a base, which is right here, a body, and a head. And this is the proximal phalanx. This is the distal phalanx of digit number 1. This is the proximal phalanx, the medial and distal phalanx of digit number 2. This is the proximal, middle, and distal of digit number 3. This is the proximal, middle, and distal of digit 4, and proximal, medial, and distal of digit number 5.